train ride. You ready to go on train ride? Right to the camera. Hello. And we're going on a train ride. And then you can show this to Mama. Want to show it to Mama? So she can see the train ride with you. Okay? And we're moving. Little to the left.
All aboard, everybody! Gather all around! This is the special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sounding like all day and night Audiomatic Express. It can moo like a cow. It can go moo, moomity moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you? Moo, moomity moo. You sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can boop. How about you? Can you go boop, boopity boo? Boo, boopity boo. Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze of a flying trapeze? Is there such a thing as an upside down sound? Ooh, listen to this. It goes swing, swing, swing. With a star on listening, clunk, clunkety, clunk, clunk, bump, bumpity, bump, bump, jerkity, jerk, bark, muckety, muck, jerk. The trolley train goes barking when sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep? Honkety honk, beep, beep, beep. When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast. With a swish, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast. Swish, swoosh, kablast. Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too? Wee, wee, woo-hoo! Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an earful of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, bong, chug, bang, bong, chug.
And a sneech farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, sneeches. Goodbye all round. We won't forget all the wonderful sounds.
Is that pretty cool? Awesome.